So here it is, guys. Already pull out the motherboard. So upon checking, it seems clear to me. Let's check about the back side. Hello guys, we got a situation here. Our printer is not working, no power on it. So I tested this board here, as you can see. So I checked if there's power here, over here, and yes, there's power. So I thought there's a problem in this what you call this adapter. So I was willing to change this adapter to the old adapter, but the thing is, this is 12 volts only. I think 12 volts. Oh, 34 volts. Yes. So when I check, the adapter here is still working. So the problem here is the board, this one, guys. So I think we're gonna need to clean this one. We're gonna let loose some screws here, then we pull it out so that we can check. All right, so here it is, guys. Already pull out the motherboard. So upon checking, it seems clear to me. Let's check about the back side. I think there's something here. Okay. So we just have to clean it. Just try to clean this one. Let's cross our fingers that we could make this one work. Okay. Okay, we put some as you can see, we're putting some detergent here. It's dishwashing liquid. Then we're gonna rub it good. Okay.
You look like a small white eyes. Look, you can see the white dots. I can. I can. I know you can.
SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
Oh.
Hey yo! I saw that.
You definitely cannot see my blue swirling eye. Oh, whatever. Oh, why are you on the jam? Why on the jam? Just because I want. I got that. How do you get that? Oh yeah.